today's video, I'm going to try 3 different ways to make mask to protect you from coronavirus. Okay, I found this mask here tutorials on TikTok. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the things you'll need is paper, tape, scissors, and 2 rubber bands. Okay, let's start. Okay, so you need 1 piece from the paper and fold it like this. Okay, and then put rubber bands on this side and fold it down. And take tape like this and do the same with the other side. Okay, okay, so let's try. It works. Okay, let's go to the second mask. Okay, for the second mask you need 1 sock, scissor, and paper. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first you need to cut the both sides and then cut like this, not all the way but a little bit, and do the same here, and then take paper and then fold it to the size, and then put it inside here, and then okay, so this one didn't work. Let's try the next one. So for the last mask you need a bandana and 2 rubber bands. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is fold it to the halfway, the both sides. Okay, and do it again like this, and then take the rubber bands and put it to the sides. But if you have bigger face than me, then you need to put it way more out. And then you see a hole right here, and you need to put this side into the hole. Okay, and make sure this rubber band is on the side. Okay, okay, and then let's try it. Okay, so let's try the bandana mask. It works. So yeah.
Merry Christmas, it's freezing cold, it's icy snow. Last Christmas was a year ago, the days are gonna slow. It's Christmas, everybody know, so put lights on everything and make it go. Ho ho, merry little Christmas, put my name up in lights. Sat up to my tree, won't even put a fight, decking the halls red, yellow and green, yeah. Fat man comes down the chimney, won't even be seen. Sticky egg, no fit in my cup. That which one won't even the crabs after that rub. Hey, bob,